Hi there, my name is Kyle. I'm here with Makers Mercantile to do the unboxing for the November knit box. Knit box, as most of you know, is a monthly subscription from Makers Mercantile. Once a month, we curate a package of fun stuff and send it out to you, including yarn, obviously, and a project, obviously. And later in the month, which is when this is being released, we do an unboxing to show everyone else what was in the package. So it's always a good deal and super fun. So let's open this one and see what's in here. So we always begin with a bit of a joke or a puzzle or something that's kind of punny. And this one says, "Time for a puzzle. Here's hoping you have a good attitude. And note that this puzzle is all about gratitude." Now, do you have what it takes? Knit the initials and make no mistakes. You're on the case and this is no prank. Oh my, how capital, how swank. Unravel the secret like unwinding some hanks. Take the first of each verse and fill in the blanks. And there are some blanks here and some of the letters here are capitalized. So you can take these the initials from the note. There's some up here in front as well. So it says 𝗪𝗏𝗁𝗏𝗁. Thank you. It says thank you. And on the back, of course, is the answer, which it says, if you take just the capital letters, the initial letter of each sentence, and arrange them in order, it spells out thank you, because at Makers Mercantile, we are always thankful for your support. That's true and cute. So it's a little game this time, and I just did the whole game for you, sorry. Of course, there's a receipt if you purchased your subscription. There's very considerate wrapping paper. I like saying considerate, I don't know why, but it is. And then, oh gosh, okay. There is a package, which obviously is probably yarn, right? So, the yarn is going to be, 100% extra fine merino. Unisono. Look at these colors. This is beautiful. So this is a really gorgeous yarn from Zitron in Germany. It is a super amazing, super wash hank of yarn. That's really great. So we got the hank of yarn. There's some things. There are 3 packages in here that are taped up. So let's check out this one. I'm opening this one up. We're gonna see what you are. More. Oh, more yarn. And this, more yarn from Zitron. This is Herbstwind, which I think means autumn wind, something like that in German. So really pretty brown. Okay, those look really good together. There's another package. We couldn't have possibly given 3 balls of yarn, but maybe we did. Let's see. Do you like that I'm pretending that I don't know what's in here? I know what's in here. It is more yarn, and it is 3 different yarns, 3 different yarns in this one package. Number 3, another color of Herbstwind. So we got 2 different, a brown and a goldish color of Herbstwind, and then Unisono, there's the Unisono label, of the multicolor hank. So you got all these, and what else did we get? Well, of course there's a project, but there's a little treat. And you know, usually we do like a little food thing and a little gifty thing, but this time we went big and we did Seattle chocolates. And this one happens to be apple pie a la mode. So it's a sort of an apple-y flavored truffle chocolate bar, which is really amazing. It is made just down the street from our shop at Seattle Chocolates. It's a woman-owned company. They use really amazing artists to do the artwork on the labels. We think they're fantastic. They taste amazing. And so that is your like 2-in-1 gift. So you got a hank of yarn, 2 balls of yarn, an amazing giant chocolate bar, and of course, a pattern. And the pattern is called Autumn Gratitude. And of course, there's the whole thing. There's a little download code in here as well. So the printable thing. And I happen to have the project. So here is, can you believe how gorgeous this is? So this is the Autumn Gratitude Cowl. And you'll see on one side, it's the brown, right? This brown ball of yarn that is used with Unisono. And this is all mosaic knitting. It's simple, slipping stitches. And on the inside, or the reverse, or the other side, it's not really, it is reversible, obviously. It's using the gold-ish color with this. So you can wear, you know, one way or the other, and if it falls open on the other, and shows the other side, it's really cool. I think this is just fantastically beautiful, and I can't wait to see everyone's projects. Maybe this one is for me. So anyway, we hope that you love the knit box. Each month, the December one is being packed up right now. So if you are watching this in time, you can still sign up and get a fantastic box of goodies for the December box. But once a month, we do our best to blow it out of the park. And this time, I think we did it. We have this really amazing chocolate bar. We have 3 different balls of yarn, a gorgeous pattern, a little bit of a game, and of course, you know, the experience of getting to make something that's really wonderful. So from our shop to you, thank you for listening and watching us unbox, and check in with us again next month when we do another unboxing. Until then, thank you.